Adjustable dumbbells are the convenient, space-saving alternative to the typical single-weight dumbbells you'd see in the gym. They're streamlined, easy to adjust, and often come with their own storage solution. On the downside, they can make a dent in your budget, although not as much as buying 15 individual sets of dumbbells would. At the same time, they're not a tool you want to skimp on, either. It's good to invest some money into them so they're made with quality materials and sturdy construction, advises Jamie Song, CPT, an NYC-based personal trainer. So, how do you know which adjustable dumbbells are worth spending your hard-earned cash on? To find out, we spent hours doing bent-over rows, lunges, curls, and squats in our in-house testing lab. After rating each set on comfort, design, and grip, these are the best adjustable dumbbells to invest in. Number 1. Power Block Elite Dumbbells. With its sleek, thin weighted panels, Power Block provides added weight without the added bulk. It felt great using these dumbbells, and not once throughout our tests did we feel like we'd drop the weights, even with sweaty hands. The grips for the Power Block were textured rubber padding that's very easy to hold and felt very comfortable and secure in our hands, and the overall material feels sturdy and built to last. We also love that we can adjust from 5 to as high as 90 pounds, with the expansion kit, within the same footprint, and still, this dumbbell system doesn't take up a great deal of storage space. Number 2. SMRT-FT Adjustable Dumbbell. The SMRT-FT Nuobel weights won us over for being incredibly easy to adjust. With just one hand, you can turn the handle to your desired weight, up to 80 pounds, although you can purchase a 50-pound SMRT-FT Nuobel if you don't need that much hardware. A satisfying click noise lets you know you're adjusting correctly, so you won't be surprised when you pick up the weight. We also appreciated the pancake design of the plates, which helped them nest together for a sleeker, more compact design, and less rattling. While the grip stood up to both dry and sweaty hands, it may be a little too big for smaller hands to grasp. We also felt like the storage rack was rickety. In fact, during our test, the storage base fell off when lifted up to be moved, with the dumbbells still attached to it. That's worrisome from a safety perspective. Number 3. Amazon Basics Adjustable Barbell Lifting Dumbbells Weight Set. These adjustable dumbbells from Amazon Basics boast a simple and straightforward design that makes them easy to use. They are super simple and feel like weights you would find at a gym, no frills, no fuss, just solid adjustable weights. The etching on the handle provided good grip, even when our hands were wet, and the plates have rounded edges and a thick coating, which makes them feel very durable. To adjust the weight, you have to unscrew the collar, then slide the right plates on before screwing the collar back on. It's not complicated, but it might be annoying in the middle of a tough workout. Durable construction. Made from sturdy steel, the dumbbell bars and weight plates are built to last through intense workouts. The black finish gives it a sleek, modern look while also being resistant to wear and tear. Compact design. Unlike traditional dumbbell sets that take up a lot of space, these adjustable weights offer a space-saving solution for home gyms or small workout areas. Secure fit. With a reliable lock mechanism, the weights stay in place during your exercise routine, ensuring safety and comfort. Non-slip grip. The textured handles provide a firm, comfortable grip, reducing the risk of slipping during use. Number 4. Big Adjustable Dumbbell Set. If you're looking for an all-in-one system that lets you switch between a barbell and a dumbbell, this pick from Big is for you. When testing these, we found that the dumbbells were easy to grasp and move around, and the handles were smooth and comfortable in our hands. Adjusting the weight is super easy, and adding the weights on the barbell is also straightforward. They were also easy to adjust with hands thanks to the padding on the handles that helped absorb some of the perspiration. While we loved the design, they did feel a bit cheap and like they may not pass the test of time. This set comes with 20, 30, 40, 60, or 80 pounds of free weights, allowing you to tailor your workouts according to your fitness level. What sets this product apart is its convertibility to a barbell, offering even more flexibility in your strength training routine. Designed for both men and women, these dumbbells are perfect for weight training in small spaces. Whether you're a beginner or experienced in fitness, this set provides a wide range of weight options to keep your workouts effective. Number 5. Lead Novo Adjustable Dumbbells. The Lead Novo adjustable weights are an affordable option for people relatively new to weightlifting. This dumbbell set is very quick and intuitive when it comes to switching the weights, with both sweaty and dry hands, and the barbell attachment as well as the dumbbell bars are light and easy to maneuver. We like that the weights are coated in plastic, which will protect floors from getting dinged up. And despite the low price point, these felt very sturdy and durable. With only 44 pounds of adjustable weight, this set may not be the best option for heavy lifters with lofty fitness goals. This adjustable 3-in-1 dumbbell set is made of durable PE material. Unlike iron dumbbells, it will not scratch the floor. It is very safe and durable. The octagonal design of the dumbbell plates can prevent it from rolling, more stable. And we upgraded the nut, installed non-slip screws, double fixed, more secure. Number 6. LifePro Power Flow Plus Adjustable Dumbbell Set. LifePro's Power Flow Plus adjustable dumbbells were ready to go right out of the box with all included weights attached to the bar, and it's a solid option for folks just starting out with lifting. These dumbbells offer a fair amount of adjustability for beginners, and the weight goes up in 5-pound increments. What's more, they're super easy to adjust. Simply pull the tab, slide it along to your desired weight, and then release to lock it in. Not only is the adjustment easy, but it's also very quick and there is no learning curve to it. We also like that the knurled handles offered good grip. One small con, we found it a bit difficult to align the weights into the stand when racking the dumbbells. Space-saving design. This versatile 25 pounds dumbbell set of 2 is designed to be compact, seamlessly integrating into your home gym without taking up unnecessary space. Get the benefit of multiple weights dumbbells set in one easy-to-store solution. Number 7. Northdeer Adjustable Dumbbells. These Northdeer steel handles are unique in the way that they come with padded handles, which felt super comfortable in our hands during our tests. The soft padding ensures you won't get any calluses, yet these still provide good grip. We found that these were just as easy to grip with wet hands because the moisture absorbed into the padding. However, the weights only go up to 30 pounds. The newer version of these dumbbells offers a 40 pounds option, so they're probably best for beginners or folks not looking to go super heavy. The dumbbell is precisely cut from a single piece of high-quality steel without any welding. Each dumbbell piece is locked to the next, avoiding the problems of traditional dumbbells in which the dumbbell piece shakes due to a loose nut. The handle is made of a foam material which is safe, non-slip, does not hurt your hands, reduces hand pain caused by heavy weight, and allows you to persist in completing the training. Number 8. Bowflex Adjustable Dumbbells. The Bowflex Select Tech 552 dumbbells had the most hype of the best adjustable dumbbells we tested, and for the most part, they lived up to our expectations. The weights offer plenty of variety for beginner to advanced weightlifters. In fact, we'd specifically recommend this for couples who have different fitness levels but want to share equipment. The rubber patterned handle felt gentle to touch and stood up to the moisture on our hands when we tested the grip, so we didn't expect any calluses to form from these adjustable dumbbells. While these weights are versatile, the bar was a bit long at 17, which felt cumbersome during certain movements. With just the turn of a dial you can automatically change your resistance from 5 pounds all the way up to 52.5 pounds of weight. No more picking up 30 different dumbbells to get the results you want. This adjustable dumbbell replaces 15 sets of weights. All you need is a Select Tech 552 dumbbell to transform your body for good. On demand, full body strength classes now available on the JRNY app. On demand, full body strength classes now available on the JRNY app.